riding ain't always about chasing the next thrill. Sometimes it means following behind in the Jeep, making sure bro gets where bro is going safe, especially when his bike needs some attention. This life we live, it's got a lot of shine on the outside. People see the rides, people see the roads, people hear the engines, but they don't always see the work that comes with it. Today ain't a ride day, it's a responsibility day. First stop of the day was to get the new tire, chain and sprockets professionally installed. Then at the second stop, it was time for us to get our hands dirty and to shed some blood, sweat, and tears as we swapped out the oil, switched out a few other things, which will hopefully be a nice surprise for later. This is the kind of work that don't get talked about much, but it's just as much a part of the lifestyle as the ride itself. And when it's all done, you get to sit back and think to yourself how this love for the bike life can make you irrationally angry one moment and then immensely joyous the next. We're not gonna spill all the details right now. Some things we're saving for later. But there is a reveal coming. She'll be looking like a brand new bike. Keep your eyes open for episode 4. For now, this is what it looks like behind the scenes. 2 riders giving one bike the love it deserves, and a whole lot of respect between us too. That's what keeps this whole thing moving forward. If you are feeling the show, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See y'all next time.